Another very hot and humid day today.
Yeah, excuse the sweaty look.
I know, we've just walked down from our hotel about 1.5 miles, something like that.
Yeah.
We've come to Lumphini Park and we're trying to stay dry today.
We are.
There's a sun cran's still on. We got absolutely soaked yesterday. So we've avoided it so far. We're at Lumphini Park.
Where there are
the monitor lizards.
Yes.
Is what we're looking for now.
We're going to have a walk around and see if we can find some.
Fingers crossed, because this is what we've come here for, isn't it?
Yes.
Sake. Sake. Peel?
Yeah. Peel it. What does it say? It's you peel it and eat it. With a spoon.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Sweet.
Yeah.
Or nice. Okay, thank you.
Still larded.
Absolutely.
So Lumphini Park has some rules that you have to abide by. So you're not allowed to smoke in the park.
No dogs.
No dogs allowed.
Only bikes between 10 and 3.
Yeah. And the park closes in the evening. Not sure what time it closes, but yeah, so
10 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, and it makes it quite pleasant actually.
It's nice.
Nice and peaceful. We're trying to find somewhere now for a drink. Water or a soft drink.
Soft drink, yeah.
Because we're both absolutely melting. It's very humid. Very humid today.
It's going to be 45 in the next few days.
Wow. Right, well we've come to the ManahanKhon Skywalk here in Bangkok. It's up on the 84th floor. I don't think Anna's looking forward to it.
No, I'll
we
just
are.
sit back.
So we're just going to wait for the lift and we'll take you to the top.
Yeah. It's so dark.
Very dark.
Very dark.
Even though it's on super night mode.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, okay. Just wait till we start going. Might lighten up.
Welcome to High Speed Reef then, and then go to the
Yeah, my ears are just popped.
Yeah, mine have just gone. That's super fast.
Just a bit. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh wow! Do you want to book them? Are you coming over or not?
No.
Oh my life! Come for a selfie, Anna. Just run quickly, take it and then run back. Come on. Trying to encourage Anna over for a selfie. Quick selfie and then run back. Come on. Really quick.
You go there, and I'll take a selfie from there.
So the ManahanKhon King Power viewpoint is 314 metres above Bangkok. Look at these views. Absolutely fantastic. Still no chance of getting Anna close to the edge for a photo. But that's where we're going to go next.
Oh my life.
Right, so I'm going to get some shoe covers on and then I'm going to go on the glass sky deck. So I can't take any video just whilst I'm on the glass deck itself after on the line. So you'll have to just believe me that I've gone on it. There it is. That's what I'm going to go on. And a photo. This is weird. Not too much battery in it. Too much battery. This is it, as high as I can get. 314 metres above.
Rooftop bar.
Rooftop bar. What you wanted?
I got it. It's very rooftop.
It's fantastic. Cheers.
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 Tell you what, if you haven't been here, it's absolutely worth a visit.
Oh no, definitely.
Make sure to get the Skyverse tickets as well, because that was just amazing. Absolutely
Could have spent
amazing.
more time in there.
Yeah, it was brilliant.
Really good. Look at this.